Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you some of the different modeling options. Okay, let's begin with draw column. Okay, so here I have selected. In general, if we click here, our regular column will be drawn. Suppose our column is at a 90 degree, means orientation is the 90 degree. Then you can select 90 here and you can click. You can see the orientation of the column is changed. Okay, you can give any angle. Okay, for example 45 degree, press enter, and then here you can see our column orientation is 45 degree in plan actually. Okay, so I'll keep it to 0. I'll go to the next option. Okay, sometimes we may forget the grid lines. Okay, suppose here there is a column at a distance of 1000 mm. Okay, so you can just 1000, press enter. Okay, now our column is at a distance of 1000 from this point, so you can select it. So it will be get drawn at a distance of 1000 mm to the x. Similarly, you can do it for the y also. Okay, I'll quickly show. Here you can see, and if you put the negative sign, then it will be on the opposite. Means if we put negative x, then it will be on the left, negative y, it will be down from that particular point. Okay, now I will keep it to 0. Even you can give both the x and y offsets. Now I will randomly draw the columns because I need to show you few other options related to the beam. Okay, let's go to the beam, go to draw. Here draw beam. Okay, I have selected the beam. Now first option is plan offset. Here you can give offset of suppose 2000 millimeter. Just press enter. Then from this point at a distance of 2000 mm you can draw in any direction. Here you can see. Suppose I draw like this. Then my beam will be at a distance of 2000 mm. That is the first option. Now again I will come back here. There are certain other options also. We'll check. Now first option is parallel to y. Means if you draw a beam here, okay, then it will be only parallel to y. Now suppose if you give the offset here of 1000, then what will happen? If you click here, then and if you click here parallel to y, then you can see here it will be get drawn only parallel to y at a distance of 1000 mm. Here you can see the dotted line. Similarly, you can go with the parallel to x also. So if you select, then you can see the dotted. If you click here at a distance of 1000 mm, it will be get drawn. Now there is some other option like angle. You can give the angle also. Here by default it is 45 degree. You can change it. So suppose 65 degree. Press enter. Now if you click here, then here you can keep the offset to 0. Okay. Now you can see your beam is at a 65 degree. And then you can click. Now this beam is at an angle of 65 degree. Now there is one another very interesting option. Is fixed length and angle. Now suppose your beam is 2000 millimeter and the angle is 45 degree. Okay, now from this point suppose it is at an angle of 45 degree and 2000 length, then just click. Now click anywhere, it will be 45 degree and this length is 2000. Okay, now there is one fixed length option means if you click here, then there will be 2 meter length beam. Now you can join anywhere you want, means in any direction, but the length of the beam will be 2000 or 2 meter. You can click, then only 2 meter beam will be drawn. Similarly, there are dx and dy options are there. Okay, you just need to give the dx and dy. For example, y is 0 and x is 2000. Click anywhere, a 2 meter beam will get drawn. Okay. Now next option that I am going to show you is reshaping the object. Here you can see my beam is not up to the my grid point. So you can go to draw, reshape the object, then you can select that particular object and then just take it to your point. Okay, there is no need to delete the beam and again redraw. You can reshape the object also. Okay, now here I will draw a slab. Of course, for that I need columns. So in just a minute I will draw the columns. Okay, as well as I will need the beams also. So I'll just draw in a second with the quick draw option. Okay, I will select any property of the beam. Okay, now similarly I will show you regarding the slab. Suppose if I draw the slab like this, okay, and if I want to draw the slab complete, no need to delete, you can just go to draw, reshape the object, click on that object. Okay, then you can just take those points wherever you need it. Sorry, you have to select it and then you have to take the point. Select it, then take the point. Okay, now my slab is complete. So this is how you can reshape the object. You can put different angles, lengths. Okay, so you can just try it, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. I will be there to help you. Okay, thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe the Real Civil YouTube channel. Thank you so much.